Hi, this is Michelle with the Erica Diaz team, and today I'm at our newest listing, 2149 Black Lake Boulevard in Winter Garden. You're not going to want to miss this. Come check it out. Welcome into this beautiful, well-maintained home that's great for entertaining and lots of natural light, but let's go check out the back. One of my favorite things about this property is it sits on 3 acres on Black Lake. You can enjoy views of the lake in the evening while drinking wine or in the morning while drinking coffee. You can even build a dock straight out to the lake if you would like. If you'd like to know more information about this property and to see it in person, reach out to our team today.